Hello everyone. I noticed that in my car, not all the bulbs in the rear upper brake light are on. I have an Audi A6 C5 sedan, so let me show you how to get a brake light and replace burned out bulbs at the same time. First, we need to remove the plastic cover that's covering the brake light from the trunk compartment. To do this, pull it down and aside so that it doesn't get in the way. Next, you'll have access to the brake light and you can press on the spring clips that hold the housing containing the incandescent bulbs. Once you release the clips, pull out the brake light into the trunk compartment and then disconnect the connector. To remove the bulbs, press on the special retainers, 2 on each side. Once we remove the reflector with the bulbs, we can replace the burnt out ones. The bulb that burned out in my case was of a dark color. As a test, you can connect the brake light to the connector and press the brake pedal. For replacement, I bought new incandescent bulbs of the W23W type with a power rating of 2.3 watts. Replace the burnt out bulbs with the new ones, assemble the brake light, and place it back in its original position in reverse order. Then press the brake pedal and make sure the brake light is working. As you can see, it's not difficult at all. See you in the next videos.